You have pain, let's make a solution. So if you buy castor oil, you always want cold press hexane-free. If it's in plastic like I just got, you will transfer it to a glass jar. I started to get major foot problems after my pregnancy. And I think once you have a baby, some things go back and some things never do. And for me, it was the bottom of my feet. But then you get one of these. So it's worth it. Castor oil's main ingredient is ricinoleic acid, so it can penetrate deeper than any oil. Think of Bengay. You have muscle pain, you put Bengay on and somebody's at the door. Hold on. Oil has the ability to penetrate deeper than any oil. So we're gonna then add on a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, which has anti-inflammatory. I'm gonna apply this to my feet every night. Make sure you don't care about your sheets because they will get stained and some of the stains might not come off. But this will go in and break down the inflammation, help more blood flow, more oxygen. So anywhere you feel like there's pain, just apply it. Keep it at your bedside.